What's up? What's up, everybody? And today we are going to be checking out the new Evolution X GSI. Well, I wouldn't exactly call it new because it's actually Android 14 based on Evolution X 9.9.3. And with Android 14, it is packed with a lot of features. So let's go ahead and check some out. First of all, I'm pretty sure in the top left corner, you can see right there I have the Evolution X icon behind my clock in the status bar. Really cool. Then, just like the other old Lineage OS GSIs that were boring and barely had anything but simple basic customization features that regular stock raw Pixel didn't have, this one is packed with lots more. Now, with this one, the the battery text is flipped on the other side. I'm pretty sure between the new version and the old version on Lineage OS and Evolution X. Additionally, on Evolution X, you have an at a glance, which you do not have in Lineage OS, even with Android 16. Another thing is, you swipe over, you get your Google homepage, you know, you get circle to search. Let me show y'all a demo. Yes. Circle to search works. Then again, you can add your seconds to the status bar. But that was the only thing you could really do. And also add the AM/PM and Lineage OS. This one you can actually add your date in there as well. Additionally, um, additionally, it's I can't even explain. Like I just have to show you. You got custom fonts. You got the Evolver, which is really cool. Themes is amazing. You can change your lock screen sound. And I'm hoping this does not end the video. But, okay, it didn't end the video. But if you guys saw that, hopefully it showed. You can also change your like lock screen sound and unlock sound audio. You can have your own custom lock screen opening animation. I mean locking animation. Locking animation. See, here are the icons. You can change your system icons for the status bar. You could change your signal, your Wi-Fi. That's why my Wi-Fi signal. That's why my Wi-Fi icon looks like a zigzag, and why my signal icon looks like some sort of Windows logo. So um, someone's nearby, so that's why you're gonna hear some audio in the background. But we do have our brightness bar slider. I like a Qn because it looks really cool to me. I mean, it's really nice. You can also do some other ones, but that's my favorite one. My favorite screen off animation has to be the CRT. I really like it. You got your navigation bar icons, you got Android, you got Asus, default, you got Door Evolution, Moto, you got Nexus, you got the old style for the older Android versions, you got OnePlus, you got One UI, you got Sammy, you got Techno Canon, and that's all. It's really cool. You got your boot animation, which since this is a GSI, this doesn't work. The only way you can get it to work is that if you reboot into your stock OS and then you reboot back into Evolution X. But you can preview them. But yes, you can experience them. You just gotta. It's a long process. But if you like actually flash the custom ROM, it would be way easier. Anyways, that's pretty much for the theme section in the Evolver. You got your lock screen section. You got pose. I don't really know anything about this because I haven't really paid attention. I like I prefer more customization rather than whatever stuff this is. But I guess it's whatever. You got status bar, and here's what I mean. You got your system UI tuner. On Lineage OS, you had like a few ones. You had dotted circle, you had text, and you had icon landscape. I don't even know where to start here. Icon portrait, icon landscape right, icon landscape left, landscape capsule, landscape Lorne, portrait iOS, portrait MX, portrait Eru, landscape R style A, landscape L style A, landscape R style B, landscape L style B, landscape iOS 15, landscape iOS 16, landscape origami, circle, dotted circle, fill circle, big dotted circle, text hidden. That's a lot. You got your clock and date. This is how you change your position. You can hide it in the launcher like the other one was able to do. Basically, what this does is get rid of the text. Give it a clock. This is only essential if you have no clock shown on the home screen. The reason why this is so essential for that is because you don't want to have double information on your home screen. It's pretty much useless. You got your AMPN style. You can have it small, hidden, or normal. You got your date. You can change the position of the date. You can also change your date style to be lowercase or uppercase. And you can also change the format, which is really cool. Inside of here, you can do all kinds of stuff, like your carrier name on the lock screen. If you turn that off, it's just going to get rid of that. And here's what I'm talking about. You can add the logo. So on the logo, you can see I could choose right. It puts the logo on the right, but personally, I like it being behind the clock because I really like that. You can also change the logo. You can change it from anything. You got Batman. You have Emotion Cool. You got all these custom ones. Really cool. Whatever you like. But personally, I think I'm gonna stay with Evolution X because I really like that icon. Now you got your Wi-Fi thing. Whatever. I don't even know what this is. I haven't been paying attention. I gotta be mindful of my video time. You have your notifications. Yeah, gotta be kind of quick. You got your quick settings. This is really fun because you could change your style. You can make them look. You can make them look very ugly. But personally, I would just keep it on default if I were you. If you want a clean but good looking style. Now you can also change for vertical layout. What this does is change the position of the text. You can also change your quick style panel. And yeah, you can just, if you decide to do this, you can test them out. But I'm not finna go through every one because we are already at 7 minutes and I can't record forever. I like this. Oh yes, and yes, cause you remember when I tested out that one stock GSI from the DSU loader? Yeah, that one I made like one video on that and then I never made a video on that again until I got Lineage OS. Well, this one also has 32 gigabytes of storage. And you could change your slider position and make it always show or be on the bottom or not show. Regular stuff. Your tile animation style. Now, one thing about the Lineage, not the Lineage OS GSI, but the stock DSU loader GSI, the flashlight did not work. Trying to use the flashlight would literally just turn the toggle on, but it would not, like, it would not turn on the flashlight actually on your device, which was really annoying. But as you can see, for some reason, when using custom GSIs, they just want to be obedient and work for you for some reason. And look, you can also do that, which is really cool. And yes, YouTube, don't flame me because I said that word. It's just a word to use. Chill out. I don't think you can really change anything that has to do with the navigation, but the navigation swipe bar. Like, I don't think you could change how it looks when you're doing this. I don't think you can change the style of that. But as you can see, you got some other stuff in there. That's really it. You got your gestures, nothing here really. You got quick pull down, which is very essential if you need to quickly get to your quick controls. But personally, I don't need that. And look at that, you can clear all your notifications. Really cool. But and then you got your power menu. You can put stuff on your power menu. I put all that on your power menu. As you can see, That's the stuff you could put on there. You got your buttons, which I don't really know what that does. Oh wait, this is the power buttons. Never mind. As you can see, um, um, um. Ooh, I almost dropped my phone. I don't think it does anything to the volume, so could be useless. Um, miscellaneous. I don't. This has a lot of stuff, but like I don't really care about it. You could check that out. You can also see your Evolution X version, which is really cool. I'm running Evolution X. That's really much out of the Evolver. There's nothing really new here. I mean, you got your Wi-Fi stuff. You got your Wi-Fi, your connected devices. Now, I haven't exactly tested it out yet, but but if Bluetooth works, I will make a YouTube short on it, a quick one that shows it's working. Then you got your apps, nothing here. You can also change your default launcher and stuff here, your notifications, and nothing like really important to me here. Battery, you can see your battery percentage, internal and battery saver. That's really it. Storage, it just shows your storage. Sound and vibration, just like you can change your sounds and vibrations. Additionally, when trying to change your when trying to change the notification sound, it crashes the app. It literally crashes settings. That's really weird, but let's see what happens when we tap alarm. It also crashes. So, if you try to change the default alarm sound or the default notification sound, what's going to happen is just going to crash. I don't know what that does. I'm just going to turn it on. But yeah, it's kind of annoying. Display. Sorry for not knowing anything. For the display, I mean, you got dark theme, you got schedule, you could get your smallest width. Oh, that's for your screen size. You could change that. I'm gonna change. Well, I'm gonna change mine to what mine originally comes to, cause my phone is a big phone. This is what mine originally comes with. Oh my god. Oh, wait, hold up. That's kind of buggy. Is that a bug? Cause why is it at the bottom instead of the top? Oh my, this screen is dark. It's too dark for me. Okay, you got boosted colors. If I were you, I would probably keep it on saturated or natural or adaptive. Probably keep it on adaptive or natural if I were you. You got your display cut out. That's kind of suspicious. Everything just feels so packed into the thing. Well, I'm gonna test some of this stuff off camera, and I might make like another video or short showing how those work. But for now, that's really it. I mean, you got your wallpapers. You got basic wallpapers, some from just stock. Ooh, you can change your thing. Ooh, I kind of like that. Ooh, I kind of like that. I like this one the most. You can change your wallpaper, so you could choose like this Google Pixel one. But I prefer more. Oops, takes a long time to load. I prefer to use this wallpaper because I mean, why not? I mean, are you blaming me? Accessibility, nothing special here. Just for people that have disabilities. Security and privacy. Also, no offense to people who have disabilities. It's just to help people. You could back up or copy data, location, safety, and emergency password, and passkeys, or autofill. And yeah, pretty much everything goes. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll make another video testing everything else out. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.